Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I am with another YouTube video. So in this video we are going to learn some PYQs of PGI, AIMS, PPMT and all other exams related to BSc Nursing. So let's start with the first question. Which of the following is correct? Option A, coefficient of viscosity is scalar quantity. Option B, pressure is a vector quantity. Option C, both. Option D, none. So the answer of this question is option C, both. Next question. Which of the following is correct? Option A, surface tension is a scalar quantity. Option B, pressure is a vector quantity. Option C, A is incorrect. Option D, B is correct. So the answer to this question is option D, B is correct. Next question. The venturimeter work on option A, law of principal axis. Option B, Huygens principle. Option C, Bernoulli principle. Option D, law of parallel axis. The answer of this question is option C, Bernoulli principle. Next question. When we dip the brush inside the water at 90 degree, it will option A, be wet. Option B, be dry. Option C, be same. Option D, be change its shape. So the answer of this question is option C, be same. Next question. Water does not wet the brush by making option A, angle of 180 degree. Option B, angle of 90 degree. Option C, angle of 60 degree. Option D, angle of 30 degree. So the answer of this question is option B, angle of 90 degree. Next question. Wettability of the surface depend upon option A, dimension. Option B, pressure. Option C, viscosity. Option D, angle of contact between surface and liquid. So the answer of this question is option D, angle of contact between surface and liquid. Next question. Mercury thermometer cannot be used to measure temperature up to option A, 360 degree. Option B, 450 degree. Option C, 280 degree. Option D, 100 degree. So the answer of this question is option A, 360 degree. Next question. Unit of thermal conductivity is option A, Jm(K1). Option B, Jm-3K. Option C, Wm-1K-1. Option D, W1Mk-1. So the answer of this question is option A. Next question. Which of the following is maintained at constant temperature? Option A, blank lamp. Option B, platinum black. Option C, cavity maintained at constant temperature. Option B, varying degrees. So the answer of this question is cavity maintained at constant temperature. Another question. If temperature of sun is double, then rate of energy received by earth is increased to option A, 4. Option B, 16. Option C, 8. Option D, remain constant. So the answer of this question is option B, 16. Next question. Henry law states that solubility of substance is directly proportional to option A, velocity. Option B, temperature. Option C, pressure. Option D, speed. So the answer is option C, pressure. Next question. Value of Henry constant increase with increase in option A, velocity. Option B, temperature. Option C, pressure. Option D, speed. So the answer of this question is option B, temperature. Next question. The value of Henry constant is greater for A, gases with lower solubility. B, gases with higher solubility. C, does not be affected. Option D, none. So the answer is A, gases with lower solubility. Next question. Boiling point of water decreases at option A, remains same. Option B, low altitude. Option C, high altitude. Option D, none. So the answer is option C, high altitude. Next question. Water boils faster in pressure cooker because option A, it contains pressure. Option B, it is vacuum. Option C, it is filled. Option D, none. So the answer is A, it contains pressure. Question. Ideal solution is when option A, no change in mixing. Option B, no change in entropy on mixing. Option C, both. Option D, none. So the answer of this question is option C, both. Next question. Which of the following is not ideal? Option A, C2H6 and C2H5I. Option B, C6H6 and C6H5CH3. Option C, C2C6H6I and C2H6. Option D, C2H5I and C2H5OH. So the answer of this question is option D. Next question. Acetone and ethanol show positive deviation. Option A, because they show hydrogen bonding. Option B, because they are ionic. Option C, they are alcohol. Option D, they are reactive. So the answer of this question is option A, because they show hydrogen bonding. Next question, which of the following is not ideal? Option A, change in volume is 0. Option B, change in H is 0. Option C, change in V is not 0. Option D, all. So the answer of this question is option C, change in V is not 0. Another question, which of the following can't be 0? Option A, change in S. Option B, change in G. Option C, change in H. Option D, change in V. So the answer of the question is option A, change in S. Next question, golden rice is rich in option A, vitamin D, option B, vitamin K, option C, vitamin A, option D, vitamin C. So the answer of this question is option B, vitamin K. Next question, rice grain rich in vitamin K are option A, white in color, option B, pale yellow in color, option C, golden yellow in color, option D, none. So the answer is C, golden yellow in color. Next question, transportation of other gene into an animal causes option A, speciation, option B, exploitation of animals, option C, add variety, option D, none. So the answer is B, exploitation of animals. Next question, full form of YAC is option A, East Art chromosome, option B, East artificially chromosome, option C, East artificial chromosome, option D, none. So the answer is option C, East artificial chromosome. Another question, full form of BAC is option A, bacteria artificial chromosome, option B, bacterial artificial chromosome, option C, both, option D, none. So the answer of this question is option B, bacterial artificial chromosome. Another question, that data book contains list of option A, species, option B, birth, option C, endangered species, option D, endangered reptiles. Option answer is C, endangered species. Another question, CA helps in option A, absorption of blood, option B, reabsorption of blood, option C, clotting of blood, option D, keep blood running. So the answer of this question is C, clotting of blood. Next question, which of the following is not transmittable disease? A, tuberculosis, B, dengue, option C, common cold, option D, none. So the answer is B, tuberculosis. Another question, full form of FSH is option A, follicle existing hormone, option B, follicle stimulating hormone, option C, follicular deactivate hormone, option D, none. So the answer of this question is option B, follicle stimulating hormone. Another question, full form of LH is option A, listening hormone, option B, listening hormone, option C, none, option D, both. So the answer of this question is option B, listening hormone. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down if you have any inquiries.